Hey everybody. Okay, yesterday I did a parts review of the Space 1999 Eagle 2 with the laboratory pod, and I figured today I'll do a quick video on the parts to come in the spine booster add-on package. So there's a box cover, really nice box art. Again, here are the instructions. And it's only one sheet. And I've never built the deluxe 172 version, so I have no idea how much better this is, but I'm assuming this is a lot better than that old kit was, is, etc. So here's a view of a part of it, and I really don't know which part is for what as my stuff starts falling off the desk here. So please excuse me if I don't know what the parts are for, but I'm sure you guys know what parts they are, or these are obviously some of the tanks for the boosters themselves. And some more tank halves. And rocket nozzle with the diffuser there. And last piece. Just four sprues. That's all this comes with. Okay, and hopefully this is all coming in focus here, guys. So, and my son's calling me right now to ask me if I've ordered pizza. Haven't quite done that yet, but I will in a few minutes. So, and then one last look at the decals I showed you the other day. If I can figure out which end it is. So, and there's my son asking me about pizza when I'm doing a video. I'm ordering it now. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, just edit it out.
Anyway, these are all the decals for the spine booster. Okay, I really can't make a comment about these except for the fact that they look pretty decent. They look very decent, so I can't wait to put this together. This should be simple to put together. So anyway, again, congrats to everyone who's gotten a huge leap ahead of me in putting this together. I've been so busy, and I don't want to rush this build. I do not want to rush this at all. So that's why I haven't jumped onto it. But there you have it, Space 1999 spine booster kit for the Eagle 2. Oh, one last thing. And here are metal, I'm assuming these are metal clamps, and you have screws, so that's how I guess you connect it to the main Eagle. My assumption is that you can hook these up to this Eagle or any other Eagle, because I believe the spine didn't change as far as I know, so you can hook this up on any Eagle. So not bad. It's a $50 add-on kit, and I will let you guys know as I work on it. Okay guys, until next time.